Magandang hapon po ng April 11, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 11, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, April 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 11, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for April 11, 2024, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Thursday, April 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.